Welcome to this video on the Katanga cross, also known as the handa. We will explore its role as currency, its cultural significance, and its lasting legacy. The handa is a cast copper ingot, typically weighing about 1 kilogram or 2.2 pounds and measuring approximately 20 centimeters in width and length. It is also known as the Croisette du Katanga. This cross originates from one of the world's richest copper deposits, located in the southeastern portion of the Democratic Republic of Congo, or DRC. Local coppersmiths crafted the cross using traditional sand molds. Molten copper was poured directly into the earth to create this distinctive ingot shape. The handa served as the primary currency for trade and social exchange across the region, utilized by peoples such as the Luba, and Songye. In terms of purchasing power, one copper cross could buy 10 kilograms of flour, 5 to 6 fowls, 6 small axes, or 2 lengths of cloth. As the quantity of crosses increased, trade shifted from survival goods to tools of defense. 10 crosses were equivalent to 1 gun. 14 crosses constituted a formal dowry or bride price, sealing a marriage alliance and representing stored wealth for major life transactions. The cross acted as a currency of accountability. If a marriage failed, the crosses had to be returned to the bride's family, acting as a guarantee. In 1960, Katanga unilaterally seceded from the newly independent Congo Leopoldville, and the copper cross became the emblem of the breakaway state. The flag of the state of Katanga, which existed from 1960 to 1963, prominently featured 3 copper crosses, symbolizing independence and resource wealth. The ancient ingot was immortalized on modern coins issued by the secessionist state, featuring clear depictions of the Katanga cross. Although the state was reunited with the Congo in 1963, the cross remains the visual signature for regions like Lualaba and Haut-Katanga province. Today, the handa is a sought-after modern artifact, bridging African history, art, and economics. It is highly prized by collectors of ethnographic art. The Katanga cross is truly cast in copper and forged in history, enduring as a powerful symbol of culture and economy.